Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this awesome pool vacuum that I have here. So this is the Seagull SE. This is so amazing. You literally just plug it in to charge. This has a 90-minute running span. I've seen it last a little bit longer, and actually goes up to the wall when it is done so that it's easy to be able to get it. It comes with a hook, so you're able to attach this to your pool pole, and it's easy to just grab it by the ledge here that is able to hook onto. You pull it up, you're able to open it up, empty all the garbage out of it, rinse it out if you want to. It has a filter inside of it, right in the part where you plug it in. It also has a net, so it's going to keep all the yucky, gross stuff from your pool, and it kind of traps it in there so that when you're cleaning it, you just dump it out. It has wheels on the bottom, as you can see, so it does spin around in all different kind of directions. There's two little openings. That's what's gonna push it to make it go back and forth and vacuum the bottom of your pool. I absolutely love this. It helps out so much so that I am able to swim while the pool is getting cleaned, and it's absolutely handy. It keeps it a lot more cleaner and a lot more time to have fun. That's just my point of view.